Hello and welcome back to my channel. Happy Canada Day to everyone. Today I will be cooking my Canada Day dinner. I'll season the spicy garlic wings. And I'll cover this and leave it in the fridge overnight. I'll season the garlic wings. I have salt, chili powder, sugar, chicken seasoning. And I'll cover this and leave it overnight in the fridge. The pasta is finished boiling. Now I'm going to drain it. Yellow pepper, green pepper, and red pepper. Carrots, white onion. And this is finished. For the chicken pilaf, my oil is hot. I'm gonna add the onion. Green cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon stick. Black pepper and chicken seasoning. And drumstick. And I'm going to cover this and continue cooking for 5 minutes. Add the garlic. Cover and continue cooking. And then I'll add boiling water. Now I'll add the basmati rice to boil. Bay leaf. I'll add the boiling water now. Cover and continue cooking. The rice is finished. I'm going to drain it now. Chicken seasoning, cornstarch, black pepper. Leave this for an hour and then we'll fry it. I'll boil the chow mein and I'm using Cantonese style steam noodle. And we'll let this boil for about 5 minutes. The noodle is finished boiling. We're gonna drain it now. The chicken is finished. Now we're going to layer the rice. First layer, I'll put half of the rice. Green onion. And the chicken. Balance of the rice. Saffron, green onion, and we'll put this to steam on medium heat. Add the chicken. Add the fish sauce, chicken seasoning, fried rice seasoning, salt, black pepper, light soy sauce, the carrots, onion, bell peppers. And the chow mein is finished. The last thing I'm going to do is to add the green onion. Water. This is ready. Rice flour, salt, black pepper, water, and this is ready. And we'll let these fry. And the chicken wings is finished. These are finished. Now we'll do the spicy garlic wings. This is finished. This is the last batch of these spicy garlic wings. And the chicken is finished frying. Here's my Canada Day dinner. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.